Learn how to work with app settings in Azure App Services in this edition of Azure Tips and Tricks. In Azure Application Services, you can use app settings to store and change configuration information without having to change any of your application code. If I go over to Visual Studio, inside of my index.html for my web page, you can see that I have a configuration manager instance grabbing the environment setting out of app settings. Back inside of the Azure portal, I'm going to go to my application instance. If I scroll down to the settings section and click on application settings, and then I scroll down even further here, you'll see my application setting entry for environment. If I head back to overview, and now I click on my URL for my website, you can see here that I'm displaying the value out of my application setting. If I go back to the portal, go back to application settings, scroll down and now update this value. I'll set this to 2 and hit save. So as I refresh this page, you'll see now that it has the new value being displayed on the page.